be doing this video. So guys, welcome to my new home. This is my official empty house tour. I'm so excited. I got Will behind the camera. You can show your face. It'll be really distorted and weird, but yeah. We bought a house. I'm so excited. There's gonna be a little like house series coming on my channel, so if you like that kind of stuff, definitely stay tuned. I think next will be a moving vlog. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to show you guys our little house. We moved in yesterday. This is our second day or first full day in the house. So this is the hallway. Very simple, very cute. I think we want to have like a shoe rack here, right?
Yeah, sort of like dubbed, with like a cabinet, all sort of stuff.
Some sort of cabinet thing.
Tidy.
Like a little dish on top or something. Just put keys. I don't know.
Yeah, just kind of make it a bit of home decor there as well. Kind of personalise it. Maybe a photo frame.
Yeah,
where
put
your
some
face
art
is.
up here.
Yeah, some art, something like that. Yeah.
So yeah, have you got a good like look at just what you see when you first come in the house? This is it. It's very cute.
Yeah, it's been well furnished already, but we do just need to personalise it.
Yeah.
Just make it a bit more homely.
That's actually a good point. So this is a new build. It was built in 2015. So there's one family that lived in it before us, which honestly we think we've got the best of both worlds. So it's a new build, but it's got like a bit of personality.
Yeah, it's got character.
Yeah, so I think they like changed the flooring here. So we got like black tiles and I love it. Anyway, kitchen, got these nice glass doors, which I actually really like. And then I think it is a good size. So this is the kitchen. This is the sink area. We've already sort of done it up. We're definitely going to play around with decor because I want to have like, I don't know, maybe a real plant here. Will's not a massive fan of real plants because they are work. But yeah, I don't want to have too many. So I think here will be good. And then this is obviously a sink. We bought this today. It's the little things that you forget about that you need. Like this is so boring, but essential. We've got quite a lot of cupboard space, which is really good. So got stuff in there. And then this, we were not sure whether this house was gonna have a washing machine.
Sorted.
Yeah, so when we came in, we were like,
it's a big money saver, that.
Yeah, massive. It came with this, so we are so happy. And yeah, so that's good. And then there's some storage under there. Just under the sink, and then guys, this is my favorite bit of the kitchen. A dishwasher! I've never ever had a dishwasher, so I'm buzzing about that. And then I won't show you all the cupboards because they're really boring, but yeah, just more storage. Then we bought the utensils yesterday. Utensils? Essentials?
Utilities.
Accessories? I don't know. Yeah, we got a cute little toaster, kettle. Had this all before. I really like this knife, like not chopping board, knife block. Let's call it that.
I want to call it a holster.
Holster. So
a sheath.
I like whatever. Okay, this goes well with the cabinets, so that's why I got that. I am gonna do more house tours in the future once we have like properly decked out the place.
We have stuff.
When we have real stuff, because you'll see this is definitely the most full room in the house. The rest is bare, so this is an empty house tour. I got these cute jars from Sainsbury's. I really like them. I don't know, I'm gonna put like flour and stuff in them. And we got this sexy ass microwave. You can see yourself in. Have a wee look.
Ooh, yeah.
There
Russell and Hobbs sponsorship.
Yeah,
please.
Please.
Discount code.
And then
link in the bio.
just good amount of storage up here. We've also got our, is this the boiler?
Yes.
We need to move those. Boiler in there, and then a good size fridge, freezer. So there you go guys, the kitchen. If you follow me now, I will take you to the downstairs bathroom. So yeah, this was something that we loved about the house, that it comes with 2 bathrooms. This is the downstairs one, and then we also have one upstairs. And that was kind of, yeah, a big selling point for us, wasn't it? Big bonus. So this is actually quite wide. I believe these new builds are designed to be like disabled or suitable for disabled.
Yeah, it's a legal compliance.
Yeah, so that's good because it gives you a lot more room. And we've just decorated it a bit actually. Super cute. We have these little otters. You'll see in my moving vlog why we chose these.
And with the Japan background.
Yeah,
as well.
it's a bit of inside joke, but like we love otters. Toilet, massive mirror, sink. Well, I think we want to put some sort of storage unit here. That's, I don't know, because
it's quite, because it's so wide, this bathroom, there's a lot of room to play with, so I think a cabinet down here just to kind of make it a bit more homely anyway. I mean, storage for loo roll, for example, is a big one, and any sort of like toiletry or anything like that.
We'll just have to play around with it and see if we can find one that is small enough. But there you go, guys, that is the downstairs bathroom. And then this is, here's just a storage room, our little Harry Potter room. We won't show you that. Here we have, this is the living room slash dining room, just like the main living space of the house. It's pretty empty right now, obviously. We came from renting to buying, so we don't have any like proper furniture. We have a lot to buy, don't we, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot. So we're thinking having TV here because you can see we've got a wee Wi-Fi hub here, so I think the TV has to go here. And we're kind of debating whether to have one on the wall.
Yeah, or on a stand,
like
on a table,
TV table. Concealing the mess, but it's okay. We have moved in, so it's not the knees. But this is where the sofa might go. We're trying our best to put it here, and we've been searching tons, but the dimensions are quite small, so we don't have much to work with. We're thinking of getting like a good corner sofa, which would come up quite far this way, and I think that would be really cozy.
There's an option to have a sofa along here
so,
and then have a TV there.
Yeah, but I don't know how I feel.
I'm not sure how that works. You've got the doors there, and then are you going to put a table there?
That's the thing.
Or,
so
there's a lot of discussion to be had.
I want it to be like this side is the living room.
Yeah.
The sofa, TV room, and then this side is the eating space, the dining table space.
Yeah, that makes sense. I agree with that. It's just a case of, well, it's a question of whether we're going to get a sofa that's
small enough, but like big enough.
It'll be fine for us too, but then when we have guests,
we want to have people over, obviously. So yeah. Anyway, we have nails in here, so we definitely can put some art or photos up here. Will, rightfully enough, isn't a fan of just like, I don't know, generic prints.
No,
which,
sorry.
Like, I now get, like,
mass distributed prints that anyone and everyone has in their flat or house. Personally, it's not as personalised, in my opinion. Like, I'd rather have photos of us.
I don't know, like supporting a small artist.
Yeah, like actually,
off Instagram. I don't know.
Some nice canvases, totally.
Lots we can do with that. Anyway, and then that's that. Anything else you want to say about this room? The garden. The garden. This is the garden. We don't have the keys on us, but it's kind of a miserable day.
And it's very overgrown. It's about 6 weeks since we were meant to move in.
Because of lockdown. So that's another thing that I'll move over here so it's better lighting. But we obviously moved during lockdown, which has been difficult, but we did it as safely as possible. Only making contact with ourselves. We didn't hire anyone to help us move stuff. Yeah, it's just the way it is. Now, if you guys like to follow me up the stairs. Hi. It's probably really dark, isn't it?
No, it's okay.
So, this is the upstairs. We've got 3 rooms, so we'll start with the main bedroom. Here we go. Welcome to our bedroom. So, if you come on in, this is the master bedroom. It is such a decent size. We were really, really happy with it. Like, we actually need to, I don't know, strategically think about what we're gonna do with all the space. But obviously, bed here. We just ordered a bed off Habitat, so that's coming in a week or so. I want to have Again, art on the walls, 2 bedside tables on each side, and then I feel like we still have so much space on each side, so I don't know what to do.
That's a double bed mattress, just for, for reference, but then a king size, we've ordered a king size bed, so it's going to be a little less room on each side, but there'll still be plenty of room.
Yeah.
And then a big one, where all the suitcases are, they'll...
Over here, yeah. So this is where we want to put maybe a dresser with a TV. There's a TV plug-in bit here. And obviously it's like the perfect place in terms of where the bed will be. Yeah, I just need to look up more inspo, and I want to decorate it nicely. So I like plants. Might get some like fake plants.
I don't mind real plants.
I know, but I do prefer fake plants, like it doesn't bug me. And then up here I want to put something up here, whether it's a plant or I don't know, something.
You've got a photo of you and Emily when you were
like a photo
Buddhas.
frame.
Yeah,
that's true. There's not much to say. I don't know what else we're gonna do with this room. And then here is something I really like about this house and this room is that we have mirrored wardrobes. So I won't open them because we have tons of junk in here, but there is a lot of room in there, more so than you'd think from just like looking at it. But that's the bedroom. I love it. I just need to think what I want to do with it. If you have suggestions, let me know. Hit me up with some inspiration. Love a bit of Pinterest. Yeah. Shall we move on to the second bathroom? Here we go. So, my accent.
My accent.
This is the main bathroom. It's not super big, but it is definitely a good size. All we need. Toilet, sink, massive mirror again, which we're pretty vain, so we like that. This is another thing that's really good about having a like second-hand new build. That's not what we describe it as, but it comes with stuff like this. Whereas if we got a new build, we'd have to buy so much more.
Yeah, we don't know if it was already fitted like this, but we can assume that the previous owners fitted it themselves because, yeah, they have good taste. Then
this is our shower/bath, which I think is lovely. Everything we need again. So that's the bathroom, not much to say. In terms of storage actually, today we went to Home Bargains and we were trying to look for some sort of unit that we could put in here, and we realized like we're really limited with space.
Yeah.
So like there's no chance you can do something here. I was thinking maybe something here, really tiny. Will was saying putting something on the door, hanging, and then when you're in the shower, you made a good point that you can go to reach it.
Plenty to think about.
Yeah,
suggest in the comments, please.
Give us help us out. Your tips, because we are first-time buyers. We don't know what we're doing. The last room, and maybe gonna be my favorite room, depending what I do with it. This is the second bedroom, but we're gonna make it into a studio office. So if you guys are subscribers, you know, obviously do YouTube, and I'm getting a lot more into that now. So please subscribe to help support me. But I also do music. I've moved up some of my music gear here. This is the thing, I need to be really smart about what I'm gonna do with this room because I do wanna have a big desk and potentially kind of a 2-person desk so Will can work, but I wanna make this room really pretty because it will be my filming room. And we also want to fit in a little sofa bed, which might be a bit ambitious, but we'll see what we can do.
I thought we'd have a desk here.
Like facing the window?
Yeah, so you can look out onto the road and, I don't know, just have a bit of natural light, and then you would have a sofa here.
True,
and cool. Maybe guitars hanging above it.
Again, here we have mirrored wardrobes, which I love. I think we're gonna use these ones mainly as storage. Yeah, it's just really, really handy to have. Good for selfies. That's our house. We are unbelievably happy with it. We feel so, so grateful that we have been able to buy it. We're, yeah, incredibly happy, aren't we? So, thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for a moving vlog, definitely coming soon. And I also want to do a little like sit down chatty video where we just talk about our experience buying, like as first-time buyers in the UK
during COVID.
During COVID, which is a whole other thing. Stay safe, He's Will. What are you doing? Stay safe, be kind. Love you guys. Bye.